It's not winter yet, but it sure does feel like it across the east. We've seen temperatures dip well into the 30s, even 20s in some areas, and with many of you relying on propane to heat your homes, WNCT was contacted about concerns of propane price gouging. You ask, and our Josh Birch went searching for answers. He's in the newsroom with what he found. Josh.
I made some calls and found the prices of propane from one location to another in the east can vary a lot more than simply gasoline. I also found many suppliers may not be in line with state statutes.
It's a shell game. It's sort of guess what's in the pot.
Frustration is something more and more propane users in the east are feeling.
You walk in the business, there's nothing there to indicate what the price of the gas is on that day.
Earl Carney has been a propane customer in Belhaven for nearly 16 years. His house has a 500-gallon propane tank underground. The cost to refill it, usually well over $500. Earlier this month, he went to commissioners to voice his frustration that customers were being ripped off.
The consumer should have some idea of what they're paying for this before they ever walk in.
According to a state statute, sellers of any propane tank less than 240 pounds water capacity must have the price clearly and conspicuously posted for customers. But after speaking over the phone and going to some propane suppliers in person, I found that's not always the case.
I haven't heard of any of our commissioners yet tell their viewpoint on it.
Beaufort County Commissioner Gary Bryn says they could possibly enact a county ordinance requiring the price of propane to be posted in the county.
If the county did step up and say something, that the state would get more involved.
I called propane suppliers in Pitt, Beaufort, and Lenoir County and found a wide variety of estimates for 100 gallons of propane. The highest more than $290 and the lowest more than $180. That's a difference of more than $110. Carney says this is a clear example of the state failing to enforce its laws.
For them to refuse to do that is to refuse to represent the people that put them in office.
Now, North Carolina does have a price gouging law, but it doesn't take effect unless there's a state of emergency. We put some tips on what you should be looking for, as well as a number to report businesses who don't follow state laws on our website, WNCT.com. Josh Birch, 9 on your side.
Thank you, Josh.